Okay, let's talk about the file structure of this project. And first we have the app folder, which is also called app router. It has favicon, global css, layout file, and a page. This is actually the home page. I have modified this. I have simplified this. I have only put h2 tag here. You can modify this. And then I have modified this one. I have removed background linear gradient from the body. And then this layout file, this is actually layout file. I didn't modify it yet, and you can see there's a children here, and this children is replaced by the page based on the route. So we will create a new route here. This route in this next app is based on file system. We don't need to configure routes and map to different components like React router. So we can create files and folders to represent our routes. Like I will create a new folder and I'll call this another page, and here I will create a file, and the file should be named like exactly page in smaller case. So page dot, it can be JSX, JS, TSX, and TS. I will use TSX for TypeScript. And earlier we made a mistake. We installed the wrong extension. Please install this extension, ES7 plus React or Redux or React Native snippets. The latest version is 4.4.3 at the time of recording this video. So please install this first, then come back to this base TypeScript file and type RAFCE. This is for React arrow function component, and press tab. You can name this component. I will name this another page, and press escape. You can modify this like this is another page, and let's save this. Now I'll run this project. So npm run dev, press tab, and it's ready. Let's go to the browser. So this is the home page, and if we go to slash another page, and this is our new page. Now let's see another thing. Go to the project directory, and if we add another file like page.css or anything like style.css, and we put some style, it doesn't matter, suppose is to font size 10 pixel. Save this, and this is actually hot reloading enabled here, so we don't need to refresh the browser. If we try to access the file like style.css, another page slash style.css, look, we have 404 not found. So the takeaway from this lesson is only this file page.tsx is publicly accessible from the browser, and if you put any other file, it will not be publicly accessible. Now what we will try, we will go to the home page, which is, this is the home page, and we will add a link here to go to the another page. So slash another page, and let's go to another page, and when we click this, it will navigate us to this another page. So let's save this. Go to the home route. If we click here, we are navigating to this page, but there's a problem here. The page is reloading. So to avoid the reloading, we can use link, which is from Next/link. This link will prevent the app to reload the whole page with layout. This will only load the component, that is this component, and let's try. Let's save all this and go to the browser, and let's again go to the home page first and click go to another page. You see, the page is not reloaded this time. So that's it for this lesson.